So jumping right into the install, I have 6 braids in my hair, and this is my new method in how I do my hair under my wigs. It just seems to be flatter for me compared to my old method with the 2 pigtails, because sometimes my hair, like if my roots puff up, it gets like real thick up in here, and then my pigtails are at the end and it just looks a hot mess. So today we are trying out yet another fake scalp wig, and we're going to try and style and apply the wig straight out the box. Well, technically we are, because it is a fake scalp wig, so it's straight out the box. I literally just took the little net off of the hair. I'm gonna show you guys, but today is also a part of the lace glue series. This was the last glue that I had. If you guys have any more glues that you guys want me to try, let me know. Somebody told me they wanted me to try Elmer's, so I mean, if y'all really want me to try it, then I will. But the glue that I'm using today is the B&B No Mess Crazy Hold Tube Super Lace Glue for lace wigs, and this is what the packaging looks like. Please ignore my nails, but yeah, so this is the packaging. And what comes with it is, of course, the lace glue. Comes in a tube. This actually looks like super glue. I'm scared. And then it comes with the little brush and this little wooden piece right here, and I'm guessing they're to help kind of apply it. So I guess we just gonna jump right into it. So the wig that we're gonna be trying today is from Myfirstwigs, and like I said, this is a fake scalp wig, so I'm just going to show you guys the inside construction. And one thing I can say compared to the other fake scalp wigs that I have tried so far, their fake scalp sector is way softer than the other ones that I've tried. And you see it goes all the way across, and there's probably like an inch between, not even an inch, a half an inch maybe, between the actual hairline and where the fake scalp starts. So once you look on the inside of the wig, you have your 2 combs on each side of the lace. You have your comb in the back, and of course your elastic band, and they have the hooks on there so you can tighten or loosen that up. Then of course the adjustable straps in the back. And the wig this wig that I actually have is a full lace wig. So you have the fake scalp and then the full lace in the back. As you guys can see, there's no tracks in here. So I'm just going to read the little information from the card. I told you it's from Myfirstwig. The texture is yucky. I don't know if you guys could tell, but you'll probably be able to tell once I put it on my head. It is 20 inches, and I have a medium cap. If a lot of people have been asking me like what are the cap sizes that I get for my wigs, and I always get medium. Medium is normally 22.5 inches to 23 inches, and if you're not sure which cap you should get, just measure the circumference of your head and that'll let you know. Normally people's heads range from 21 to 23 inches, but if you have a super small head, you might be below that, or if you have a big head, you might be above it. Alright, so you guys know that normally for the lace glue series, I will read the directions on the box just to see what it says do. So this one says, cut the lace back about half an inch away from the hairline, clean your face and scalp close to the hairline, apply the glue, and then press the lace wig unit. There's no need for a blow dryer, I'm guessing. So I got these cotton pad thingies, smajigs, and I'm gonna put some alcohol on here, and I'm just going to wipe off my forehead and everything else because y'all know I'm greasy. And my mirror is over here, so if you guys are wondering, that's why I'm facing this way. I'm gonna take some of the Got to Be Glued gel, and I'm just gonna apply it to my edges and pull those back as much as I can, because my edges be in the way like all the time, like my little baby hairs. Wildin'. Edges are back. I'm finna just take the adjustable strap and place it on my head. Make sure the strap is comfy. Put the wig on, and my braids are over the strap. I'm just gonna join them all together and tuck them into the cap. See what we're working with. And I think I like this fake scalp the most so far. I don't know, like it just gives me better scalp vibes. The other ones that I tried, I felt like they were either too bright or too dark. Okay, so only complaint I really have about just these fake scalp wigs that the companies are making, period, is really the fact that they like, it's pre-plucked, but it's not plucked, you know, as much as it could be. But the only thing about that is if you pluck it any more than it already is, then you'll see that line of demarcation showing where the fake scalp begins. So that's the only thing that really irritates me about these. I'm just going to cut the lace, and this lace is like super thin, so that's a super plus, because that means it shouldn't be that hard to lay down, glue down, and slay with almost little to no effort. But let's admire this lace though. Like, what lace? Now that the lace is cut, I'm gonna do exactly what the directions say. Okay, but what I'm gonna try and do, something that I never actually tried before, I'm gonna take this pencil from NYX and, oops, come on, messing up already. I'm just going to kind of outline where the lace should be. All right, so I'm going to flip it up like that. I'm scared. All right, opening the super wig glue up, and you have to poke a hole. Oh my god, this smells like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like super stringy. This smells like freaking super glue. I'm scared. I'm just going to jump right into it, and I'm just going to apply it. I'm gonna apply a little bit because I'm like OD scared. Ooh, it's on my forehead. So I'm gonna apply it. I'm just doing like little dabs right now, and y'all know I don't normally do the whole thing, like I do piece by piece. So I dabbed some on there, and then I'm gonna take the little brush that came with it and try and brush it back. Like, this really smells like straight glue, and I'm trying to push it back but not get it on my edges, because like, y'all, I put this down and it's leaking. Like, that joint's like not playing with us today. So it's already sticky. Oh, I'm so scared. Okay, let me read the directions again. Apply lace glue and then just press it in there. Okay, well, make sure you're all measured out. Flip it over and press it in. Okay, let me get my comb to press it in. Try not to get it on the hair, because that always makes a mess when you get your glue on your hair. So far, it doesn't seem that bad. Just make sure that we're still measuring up here. Okay, next side. Of course, I'm gonna have to go back and do like the edges of the lace, but I just didn't want to apply too much to begin with, because you know, when you apply too much, it's hard to go back and take some off. So I'd rather apply a little bit and then add more. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with this cotton pad and wipe the marks off. So this is what this side looks like, which isn't bad. So really you don't even have to squeeze it a lot, just a little teensy weensy bit comes out a little bit, and then use your little brush to smear. Then just push the lace in. So really it's just these little edges, and I think these little edges that's sticking up, and I'm just gonna cut that little extra piece of lace off because there's no hair attached to it, so I don't really need it. All right, so we're down. I'm gonna tie this scarf for a couple minutes, like 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and we gonna see what it's doing. All right guys, I'm back. It's probably been about 2 minutes, but I got tired of waiting, so just gonna pull the scarf off, and I think we're good. Okay, so let's just get right into it then. I really been contemplating cutting bangs all day. I don't really know, like this looks so cute though. Like this yaki texture is giving me like real hair vibes. Like just got a silk press vibe. And I'm gonna give myself some edges, and I don't know if I want to cut them. Let's see. I guess I could trim these down just a little bit. I almost cut my whole face off just now. Just trim a little bit, add a little bit of got to be. Pull this up so I can see. And I think I'm gonna just go ahead and cut the bangs. I think. I'm scared. I'm like really scared though. Gonna grab this little section right here and this little section right here. Comb these together. My heart's beating fast, like I'm mad scared, so I'm just gonna cut them right here. Trying to get this middle part out of it. These are still kind of long, so I didn't realize my forehead is big, but then like trying to cut these makes it feel small. So now I'm just gonna get my flat iron so I can see what it's really looking like. All right, so I don't know how to feel right now. I don't really know where this is going. So because like I knew I didn't want the super thick bangs, like I just wanted the little skinny joints. So it's giving me what I want, but I just need them a little shorter. I wish I had one of those barber things. You know how like after they cut their client's hair that they like brush your face off. So let's see. I mean, I feel like it doesn't look bad, but like, all right, so just gonna shave that hair off. Oh, this hair is getting in my eye. And I really want to get rid of that part, but still the bang is like a little bit too long. So just cut it a little bit more. All right, so that's cool. Glad I didn't F it up. Using my hot comb to lay that back so it can easily fall behind the ear. Then I'm gonna spray some Gatsby. I'm gonna add me some like loose, like when I say loose, I'm trying to mean like really loose curls. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use my flat iron. So I'm gonna start like a normal curl, twirl, and I'm not holding it. So if anything, we should get like a nice little wave. Okay. Yeah, that's good. I hate that that dent is like right at the beginning of the curl, but I'm finna mess with it a little bit to get that out of there. Like this side isn't that bad, it's this side. I'm gonna take my hot comb and just run it through. Oh, well that worked. Run it through a dent right there. I'm just running my hot comb through the dents from doing the twirling motion with the flat iron. Just gonna run my fingers through this side. And I think we're good. I feel like I need some earrings or something. This is pretty much the final look. But yeah, it's pretty simple. I didn't really want to do too much, especially with the bangs, because I just don't know how I feel about bangs on me. But they don't look too bad. I wish I could put on some makeup. My face is breaking out right now, so I've been kind of chilling on the makeup, but this is the finished look. I think it came out pretty cute, period. As far as the lace glue, I can say I actually honestly like this one more than like Ghost Bond and Bold Hold. Simply because you don't have to do all the blow drying stuff. You get right to it, just apply it, you push the glue in there, or push the lace into the glue, and then you're good to go. Only thing with the whole bang thing, especially if your wig is like pre-parted, it's gonna take a minute for that part to break. But I mean, as the day goes on and the more I wear it with the bang and not the middle part, I feel like it'll be okay. This is definitely a look. Like, it's a cute little simple little join. Let me know how y'all feel about it in the comment section. But this made me definitely reconsider doing bangs on another wig, because I was just so scared. Like, I did bangs like before and I didn't even record it because I feel like it just looked a hot mess. But I hope you guys enjoyed this install straight out of the box. Don't forget to try and get your hands on your own fake scalp wig, because these are in right now. Like, they're in, easy to apply. Like I said, straight out the box. You don't have to do any bleaching, minimal plucking if you do want to pluck more. And then these are also very good for glueless installs. You don't need wig caps or anything like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed yet another lace glue series featuring Myfirstwig. I will leave all the wig information in the description box below. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah.